Hey guys, welcome to another video. It's about 55 degrees out, believe it or not, in December here in Michigan. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to move the HELLCAT outside the garage. I'm gonna fire it up, move it out, clean out the garage. I got a situation here. Let the battery recharge a little bit, get the car nice and hot, and then I'm gonna disconnect the battery and she will be done for the season. Unfortunately, I already missing driving it. Right, so this is gonna be first start in about probably 3 months, or at least 2 months. So to be totally honest, I'm not sure if this the battery have enough juice to get this started or not. So, all right, let's find out. I'm gonna put this over here. So, and of course, we're gonna make it inside view. I don't wanna make it dirty here. Like I said, I have no idea if this is gonna have enough juice to get this started. Oh, wow, she didn't fire up. Let's try this again. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna move it out and let it warm up. We're gonna do a walk around video. I'm gonna clean up the garage, back it inside, and unfortunately she will be done for the year. Sit here and warm up. So I can't believe it. She failed to fire up on the first try. Like I said, it has been a couple months at least. So yeah, we're gonna let it get nice and hot. Maybe I'm gonna take it up on the street and back, and then I'm gonna park it for a year. This is it.